Secure side sections with Magic-Grip Hairpins. Start gathering a side section and gently twist it together away from your face. Place the legs of the Magic-Grip pin on either side of the twist. Gently push the pin upwards to secure the twist. You can gently pull on the section once secure to create some shape and volume. Repeat for the other side, twisting the section away from your face and push the pin upwards to secure. The section size will depend on your hair type, thickness and length. Experiment until you find your ideal secure magic grip.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.